I have this wall cover from my 2004 Toyota Highlander, which I need to clean. It is really oiled. It was leaking oil everywhere, and I think it's a very good candidate to check how our current washer setup works. I already just brushed off all the dry sand and dirt and other stuff on the top, but on the bottom I still have like the oil stains, which I hope I can remove some of this with the new parts washer and the washer liquid which I'm using right now. Let's see how it does. Washer now. One thing I noticed immediately is the fluid is actually splashing everywhere. It's actually very force stream of fluid coming out of this nozzle. I think I have to find some attachment to kind of soften it, or make it a little less forceful. It's been like splashing everywhere, so I think I have it in control. So this is like a first quick run over of this with some soft brush. I have this soft brush. I just like did like a quick touch up of every surface on the top of this wall cover, and it removed pretty much most of the thicker stuff, but I still have a lot of this ingrained like baked in greasy stuff that's like really rough. I think I still have to keep working on this. I decided to remove the tray that was over here, and then I dip the whole thing inside the washer fluid and let it soak for a while the tap is running. I think this will help with agitation, and I guess it will help loosen up some of the hard baked in stuff on top of the surface.